Today we'll talk about how can you disable Redfin updates notifications on your Redfin app. We're going to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on my Redfin, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click on settings, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Click here on app notifications. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Come here to Redfin updates. Click in this sign or this color. So like you see color, it's going to smell Redfin updates notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.